June 10th, 2021. So there's like 2 inches of the measuring tape. That's 27, so that'd be 29. And then here, it's like doubled back where they took the fabric, and it's like 6 inches where they doubled it over. I want to see if you can see how that's flapped over here. So 6 plus 29 is 35 inches. So that's not up to code. And it looks even worse. I just noticed over here. Let me see if I can. Yeah. All right. Yeah, so it's definitely worse over here. That's like another inch or 2 above. And then the flap that's folded over measures close to 7 inches. So, come on. Oh my gosh. This even looks worse here. So this isn't up to regulations. They just take the fabric and they just bent it over. It's supposed to be under the ground and holding it. So that's unacceptable. This is not okay.